Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. In these clips that I've been putting together on the YouTube, I have been solving math problems that appear in this book that I'm holding in my hand, the official SAT study guide. The official SAT study guide. It is imperative that you own it. Without it, there is no such thing as preparation for the SAT. It contains 8 exams, 8 real exams, and you must go through them if you want to do well on the exam. Each exam has 3 math sections. The problem that I'm going to solve right now, that I'm about to solve, appears in exam number 5, section number 7, page number 673, question number 15. If after watching the clip, you wish to purchase the DVD which contains the solutions to all the math problems in this particular sections, or for that matter any math sections in the book, send me an email, tell me which section you would like to purchase or which exam, and I'll take care of it. Also, if you wish to hire me after watching the clip, if you feel that you like what I have to offer, and if you like the way I explain things, and if you wish to hire me for your personal tutoring, one-to-one private tutoring, please send me an email. I'm located in Hartford, Connecticut, but of course that does not prevent me from going anywhere at all, as long as you and I can come to some agreement. Let's get going. Number 15. Let's see what the problem says. It says, how many integers in the set of all integers from 1 to 100, from 1 to 100 inclusive, which means we have to include the 1 and we have to include the 100. We can't leave out the endpoints. Are not, and they underline the word not, are not square of an integer. Saying that the integer is not a square, saying that a given integer is not a square of an integer, it's just another tedious way of saying that it is not a perfect square. The question simply is, between 1 and 100, how many integers are not perfect squares? Are not squares of an integer. Not perfect squares, as I said before. Well, you could actually sit down and go through entire list there from 1 to 100 and make a list of all the numbers that are not perfect squares. Or what I'm going to do right now is to make a list of all the integers that are perfect squares. And then I'm going to just count how many are perfect squares, and I'm going to subtract them from 100 because there are altogether 100 of them. So let's begin. I'm going to make a list of all the integers that are square of an integer, as they say, or as I've been calling them, that are perfect squares. So let's start. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's all. That's how simple it is. How many numbers do you see that are perfect squares? How many numbers do you see between 1 and 100 which are squares of integer? 10 of them, obviously. So how many of them are not squares of an integer? 90. That's it. That's all. We're done. The answer is 90 are not perfect squares. The answer is E. There you go. That's all it is. Send me comments. Send me some comments or post the comments on the YouTube. If you wish to get these clips as soon as I post them on the YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and that way you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new clip. And send me an email. Tell me what you think about it. Post a comment and tell me what you think about it, how I can improve my performance. And as I said before, if you wish to hire me for personal tutoring, or if you wish to purchase the books, when I say books, because you need to have this book, SAT, the official SAT study guide, obviously, And in addition to that, you must have at least one book at the minimum. And having a book it's not going to do you any good. You have to use it and you have to master the book, all the words that are there. I'm talking about the vocabulary books here. The book that I use when I do personal tutoring is this one. It's called Vocabulary Energizers. It is on my website. Go to my website at www.prep4sat.com. Prep4sat.com. On the left hand side menu, you're going to see where it says vocabulary books. Click on that and you will see all the books that I use. There are 4 of them that I use on a regular basis. But the most basic one, the most elementary one that I start out with is this one, Vocabulary Energizer. Thank you again for watching the clip, and I'll see you in the next problem, number 14. Okay? Bye-bye.